So, the recent work I've got done on this, I got the gearbox back in, Pitman arm drilled out 3/4 inch, drag link, I got that all done. I got my knuckle back from Sky Off-Road. They got all machined, which is actually, the angles are really nice. I like it. Probably it's gonna have absolutely no bumps here. The gearbox has also been drilled and tapped for hydro assist. Put all new ball joints in it. Rebuilt the hubs. They were trash. Spindles were trash. That shaft's got a new U-joint in it. The one over here, I didn't think it was really that bad. I just kind of didn't want to spend the money at the moment. I'll probably fix it later. The heavy ass IDI, which when it actually gets warm, I'll rip that piece of crap out. I've been really thinking about doing a 5.3. It's kind of sinful to put it in a Ford, but for how much money you can get them for, and power and the weight, can't beat it. So keep an eye out for parts for those. Turbo 400. I gotta drag my married MP205 and start fixing that up so I can get that clocked and get some good drive line angles, all that thing. I've also been really working on the back of the frame, cutting all the stupid bars I had, or tubes I should say, that were supporting the bed. I'm just gonna turn that into a shell. Then I'm also thinking, I ordered some more DOM tubing, some 1/5/8 that the roll cage came as. I think going from here, 2 pieces, just going all the way up to there to strengthen it. I was going to have it just come from here down, but I picked up some rough stuff, shock towers. I think they were like the 10-inch or 12-inch towers. I can't remember right now. But if I ran it like that, it'd been completely blocked, and yeah, it's not gonna work. And then how I'm gonna run the shocks, I'm thinking of doing like some FOAs, like remote reservoirs, 2.5s. I got some new leaf spring pads. I'll just weld some eyes on them. I'll do that. But just more cleaning up the frame, getting rid of old decrepit crap off of it. The next issue, if I really need to tackle, I got some new rear leaf hangers from Sky. That's the ones where you have the bolt forward, moves it forward an inch to help fix the terrible shackle angle I have. But the problem is that hole's not supposed to be there. But I have some frame stiffeners that I'm making, or pretty much frame fixers, you might as well say. They're 24 inches long, so they'll go from about here to all the way up to here. So that will fix that up nicely. And obviously you got patch that hole, possibly, not sure yet, but that's garbage looking, terrible looking. And then, throw the plate on there, get this all nicely ground down, cleaned up, put the plate on, probably drill a couple holes to just have some bolts holding on it first, transfer the holes, and then just weld it when it actually gets temperature warmer, where I can get my welder down here. That's gonna be a while, or I'm just gonna suck it up and bring it down here one day and just preheat the frame so it's not freezing ass cold. I have the frame supported up. I need to get some front supports on the front corner so I can take off the tire and get that bracket ripped off. I got the same shit on this side that needs to be dealt with, but it's got to wait after I finish the right hand side. This is the plate I have, which I'm for to go fix the frame. I have another plate. I gotta cut it out. These are the new leaf hanger brackets with the inch forward hole, just primed for now to keep it from rusting. And these are the Rough Stuff shock towers. I just got them pre-welded for now. Just took a tube of a 1/2 inch pipe, cut it down to just barely a little thicker or wider than 1.5 inches for your typical shock mount. And it holds really good. Worked great on that one. Then I also finished welding the rear diff for that Sterling. It's solid. I gotta do a little grind work to get those little chunkers off, but the Dremel will take care of that real quick. And yeah, that's it for now.